Hello, welcome in my channel Chemistry Simplified. I'm Nutan Mishra, chemistry lecturer. I'm going to explain atomic packing factor in case of a face-centered cubic unit cell. As I have explained, for calculation of atomic packing factor, shall we see first the diagram here. How can we calculate the atomic packing factor in face-centered cubic unit cell? Okay. We see here are the atoms at the corner and one atom at the face. As we know, this will be your A, B and C. This distance is equal to A. This distance is equal to A. So this distance will be what? Calculation of the radius, first step, radius AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square equal to A square plus A square. This AC equal to root 2A. Moreover, this is R, this is 2R, and this distance is equal to R. So, this is already we are having root 2A, and this distance is equal to 4R here. So root 2A equal to 4R. So R will be equal to root 2 by 4. Root 2 by 4A. Now, second step, we will calculate number of atoms, in face-centered cubic. Contribution by one atom at the corner equal to 1 by 8, and contribution by 8 atoms at the corner. Contribution by 8 atoms equal to 1 by 8 by 8, it is coming 1. Next thing is contribution by one atom at the face. Contribution by one atom at the base equal to 1 by 2. Contribution by 6 atoms. contribution by 6 atoms. 1 by 2 by 6, 3, it is coming to 3. So, total number of atoms in case of a face-centered, total number of atoms 1 plus 3, it is coming your 4. 1 plus 3, 4. Now the third step for calculation of atomic packing factor, what is the formula? You can see third step, atomic packing factor for FCC. What will be the formula? That is your number of atoms multiplied by volume of atoms divided by volume of unit cell. Number of atoms we have calculated, it is coming 4 multiplied by 4 by 3 pi r cube by a cube. We can put the value of r here, root 2 by 4 a cube here, a cube. After doing this calculation, it is coming 0.74. So this is 0.74 is the atomic packing factor of face-centered cubic, and as per packing efficiency is concerned, it will come your 74%. Thanks for watching my video. Must like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon button. Thank you.